So I'm having a tough time starting my bike once in a while. I think the ignition switch is not having a good connection. See all that crap right there? It's making it tough to start the bike. So I took it apart and I'm cleaning it out, and hopefully I'll get a good connection to for the ignition switch. We'll see how it goes. Yeah guys, so this is a 94 Road King. Had trouble with the ignition switch. I just cleaned all that crap out right there, you see? Took some rubbing alcohol and scraped up off that gunk. And now I'm gonna throw it back together. You see how clean it is now compared to before? This was all black. So I think I was just having a bad connection. And then yeah, we're gonna throw this thing back together. This is the stuff right here. This is the switch connections. And yeah, let's go. So it's a little snap ring that goes around it, and the little contact points go on a little spring underneath. So you flip this thing upside down and then push these things up, because if you do it the right side up, it's gonna be impossible to have everything in place. So that's a little trick. Yeah, now I'm gonna throw everything back together. Yeah, so I finally got it to work. So either you put stronger springs, so you clean it out and then you put stronger springs, or you put some spacers under the what is it called, the little pin thing, the retainer pin, under the pin, so you can get good contacts, because over time the springs down here, they don't give enough spring action to make the connection points here. Either that or you get a new one, but I just did that just so I can remedy this for now, a little band-aid fix, so I can get rolling for now. And yeah, that's how you fix the what is it called, ignition switch issue, if you're waiting on a new one.